Hi, this is Marley with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new 29 SDX. This boat just came from the factory. It still has wraps on it. You can see the big sun pad on the back here. This boat is also equipped with the stone gray sea deck and the ivory upholstery. Moving to the back here, we have a nice little freshwater sink, the summer kitchen area, plenty of seating in this boat, tons of storage underneath this lounger here. This is all the storage that you gain by having the outboard engines. This boat is also equipped with the sports tower, joystick from the factory, Simrad display. Looking into the head here, also has a nice sink and light. And then plenty of seating in the bow with the speakers up front. Makes for a great spot to sit when you're at the sandbar or when you're underway. If you're interested in this boat, give me a call. My name's Marley. Call me at 407-446-5990.